I run into a lot of RV owners and even techs that don't know how this auto changeover works. First, when you turn on your LP, you want to turn the valves all the way. So don't turn them halfway, you're going to turn them all the way open and then all the way closed. That's where they seal. You turn on both tanks at the same time. The lever points towards the cylinder you are using first. When that cylinder empties, it will automatically switch to the other tank, and the indicator will be red. Moving the lever changes the status in the window, in this case clear, but some are red or green. The system is already drawing from that cylinder. We're just changing the status at the indicator. Then you can get the empty cylinder filled. You just go back and forth. Never put the lever in the middle. This does not draw from both cylinders. This chokes the flow. You want to check this after towing, as the lever can move while traveling. Whenever checking for leaks, use a solution made for leak detection, and don't mix your own soap. I wouldn't recommend that at all. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.